Hi guys, it's your girl Natalie. So I just got back home from school today and I got a box. Hold on a second. It looks like you can peel the lines off. Yeah, you can. I'm sorry guys, I just tried this out. So let me just rip this off. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the display. Oh, you can rip this off. Okay, good enough. Okay, so I got these surprise light clay, but they're not clay, they're slime. These are all the ones I got. This one I got separately, but it was in a different pack. It was in the animals pack, but it's not an animal. It's mermaid theme. So yeah, and I'm gonna be opening these for you guys and telling you how they are. So if you guys want them, you can get them. So it is a 12 pack. Of course, I bought all 12. Except I didn't buy the white one because I bought this one. So let me just hold on a second, guys. Flip the guys back around. I can't get this closed. Sorry about the noise. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with, and I already opened them all because they had wrapping around them, so I took it off because I wasn't about to do that in this video. So I'm gonna start off with this like really pretty kind of maroon color, but it's really not maroon. It looks darker on camera, but it's actually lighter. Here it is. They're all like foam. Sorry. It's very stretchy, but when you pull it, it does that. I think every foam slime does that. Again, sorry about the noise. It has really good pops. If you guys can hear that. It's nice. You can't really poke it. And it's, once you mold it, you can like mold it, so that's awesome good. These are ages 3 and up. These ones are dinosaur eggs. The mermaid one was in the animal eggs. No, that one was in the mythical eggs, yeah. There's dinosaur, mythical, and animals. Like unicorns, dinosaurs, stuff like that. Well, these are dinosaurs. So look, you can put it into a square, and then it can stay like that. It's kind of a little bit bouncy, but not really. Stretch it. It looks really pretty when you stretch it. It looks almost pink, but it's not pink. So let's move on to the next one. I'll show you how I put it back in the container. So this is the bottom container. Sorry, it has some stuff on there. And then I'm just gonna stuff it in there. And then I'm gonna shape the top of it like that. So it looks like an egg. And then just pop the lid back on. Next, I will let's do this one since it's double color. So this one is like a dark blue, and then it's like a teal on top, almost. Yeah, that's exactly like the mermaid one. The mermaid one has stuff inside of it. Sometimes it does this, but it's really cool to watch. So then when it does it, You just have to pull it out. The top of it's actually harder, like it dried out. But I'm guessing once you mix it, it will get better. Let me just get it all out. There we go. Oh, and you guys, I actually have a dinosaur on my shirt. It says I love plants, and it has a plant in it back. Like I said, it got better. Not super better. This one's stiffer than the other one. But once I mixed it, it was actually a pretty color. You guys can see that. It's a pretty color. Okay. This one's way more stiff. I feel like this one would be for you 3-year-olds because it's stiffer. You like can't bite on it really. This is a 12-pack. Top one DIY. Well, they're not DIY. I guess I'll show you what the package looks like. Of course, I bought the package too. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Surprise light clay. And then it just looks like that. Sorry about this, it's all ripped. It just knocked over an egg. Another egg. Grab. Okay. Ooh, this one has a present inside of it. If you get see that right there, I don't know. Oh, and also there's like some circles in there, some holographics. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys can't see it. But it had like this pink holographic seashell. Sorry I say seashell so weird. So let's put this one away and move on to the next one. Oh, and all of them were in really good packaging. There we go, it's closed and the seashell is right there. We're keeping the mermaid one for last, so let me take out the ones that I already did, and I'm going to put the mermaid one off to the side. This one also has glitter in it, and it has pearls, and I think there's more seashells. Let's do this neon pink. There's another pink, but it's darker, and you guys can tell that. So let's open it. This one, ooh, this one's nice. This one isn't stuffed. It's nice and stretchy. This one's nice. This one's like a regular foam slime. Sorry guys, I'm struggling. That's what I'm doing. There we go. Here's the slime. This one is stickier, so you can see the foam. The foam does stick to you. See, look. I got like slime down here, foam up here, and just to let you know, these stink like chemicals. Smelt them because I thought the red one smelled like cherries. It does not smell like cherries. I'm sorry about my nose. It's like sunburnt and it looks just weird. And you guys can see all my freckles right now. Oopsies, got some in my hair. Look at my nose. Even the only freckles. And also this one you can also shape in 3D or 4D or 2D. See, I just did a pyramid. It's a birthday hat. It's a birthday hat. I don't remember. I can't say the word. Remect to put it in your hair. You guys know what word I'm talking about. I'm so sorry. I'm speaking like this. It's really nice. And let's move on to the next one. If I can't do them all and it's like a really long video, I'll stop it. And then I'll do another one after this one. I'm going to probably stop it at 25 minutes. And if I don't have it done, I'll do another one. Part 2. So again, shape it for the bottom, shape it for the top. And you guys, I had these sent to me. I didn't buy them. Also, these are 2 different blues. So let's try this one. Sorry, there's still pink foam on me. Okay, so these little splotches right here, it's just the slime that came up from the foam. Oh, this one sounds nice. This one just got darker and also stickier. So I recommend this one for like 6+. Like, look. This one is more of a teal in person, but in camera it looks more light blue like this one, but obviously a little bit darker. This one is super sticky. It's just like all over. Oh, and the one with the mermaid slime in it is for 3+ as well. I feel like your 3-year-old could have the mermaid one because it is a little bit thicker, tougher. Yeah, tougher. Okay, we're moving on to the next one because this one's super sticky. Let's try red. This one also has the splotches of slime. This one's also getting brighter and stickier. See, it just got so brighter and so stickier. It looks pretty though. I mean, like, look at my hands. But when you pat it a couple times, it goes away. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, we're moving on to the next one. This one you can also shape, but it's also sticky. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Some of them, they put too much foam. Some of them, they put too much slime. Let's do orange. see, does this one get darker? I just squished it. Oh my god. It's already getting darker. Look at that, I just mixed it. I hope this one gets sticky too. It's not like the other ones. I'm sorry guys, I just like looking at my nose because it's burnt. And also guys, I'm sorry I haven't filmed in forever. I've just been so busy with school now just starting. So yeah. Sorry also about my pimple. There was no yellow at all in the store. Why am I sitting in the store? I found these online. You get them on Amazon, maybe eBay, maybe? I don't know. But I got mine off of Amazon. I don't know why I keep saying store. This one is green. It's very nice. Not sticky that much. It's only a teeny bit. This one is better though. This one is a little tougher. And that's just me dating. They all do really like weird noises, like when you mix it and stuff. Sorry, I'm just trying to let you guys hear it. That's me just going like that. Okay, let's put this one away now, so we can get on to the mermaid one and not make a second part. Okay, let's try light green. We just did dark green, now let's do light green. Ooh, this one's like wine green. Ooh, look how pretty that is. And on the next one, I'll take, like, on the purple, I'll take a piece off, and then I'll mix the other piece. This one's nice, it's not that sticky. It's a lot like the other green one. So, let's move on. Again, just push it into the bottom, and then shape the rest of the way. And then you're done. Okay, let's try the pink one, because I want to do the pink one. I'll just split it in half and look at the difference. Okay, I'll just put this off to the side. I'll put it in this container that I had. Don't know why, but I can't get it out. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's mix it. This one, not that sticky, honestly. Not that sticky, just on my fingers. And that's fine with me, because it's not that sticky. I mean, look at the difference. This one's so much lighter. I'm just going to squish it. Because it's so nice. I'm going to mix it in now. Okay, let's move on to the next slime. Okay, we have 5 more minutes so we can do. Let's try this one. Oh. This one has good noises. It's nice and soft. Okay, let's move on because it's like all the other ones. I'm just gonna skip the purple because it's just like all these ones, but purple. So let's move on to the mermaid so we can take as much time as we want on the mermaid. Sorry guys. My dad's falling asleep. Let's move on to the mermaid. Ooh, actually this one's kind of nice. Yeah. This one's nice. It's tough. These are what's inside, sorry. That's what's inside, and then there's also like glitter, but obviously I can't get the glitter out. Actually, I just did. Where is it? Like in juicy it. It's right there! Oh well. This one's tough. Makes good kind of noises. Not that good though, because rips and sounds yucky. So let's move on to the purple one. And then maybe we can come back to this one. Maybe also I might do a separate video on this one. So let's move on. Again, I'll take a piece off, put it in my separate bin. Oh, that one's deep purple. Just like the other ones, here's the difference, way different. And make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below what's your favorite type of slime. And if you like it sticky or not sticky, if you like foam, what's your favorite color for slime? Comment it down below. And make sure you smash that subscribe button and have a nice day. Bye guys.